if you're in love, then you are the lucky one. 'Cause most of us are bitter over someone. Setting fire to our insides for fun, to distract our hearts from ever missing them. But I'm forever missing him.
So why didn't you?
That's what you're worried about? Not the people you almost killed?
Just protecting me. He's not dangerous.
They killed hundreds of us!
And we've killed thousands of them. They defend themselves, that's all. 300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.